you guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do a get ready with me for my best friend's wedding, which I did not get to attend for obvious reasons because I got COVID, in case if you're new here. Because I got two outfits made right before I left for the wedding. Also, all of us were not really sure about the second outfit, so I thought I will do a get ready with me where I'll wear both the outfits. I'll just get ready, do my makeup and do my hair and everything, and then we'll wear both the outfits and just like probably get ready the way I would have gotten ready had I attended the wedding. Actually, you know what? Probably not. Had I attended the wedding, I wouldn't have done an elaborate makeup look because I was supposed to do the bride's makeup. And once the bride leaves, everybody goes downstairs and then, you know, like the entire thing starts and then you don't want to miss out on everything. And hence, I never ever get ready for any of the functions. Yeah. So now, because we have all the time, I thought let's just sit down and do our makeup and hair and see how the entire look would have turned out, okay? So yeah, I guess without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright you guys, so let me start with moisturizing my face. I'm gonna use the same Shea Sea moisturizer that I've been using currently. I finished it actually. Anyway, so in my last video, I asked for some video recommendations and somebody suggested that I should do me reacting to my subscribers' crush stories, and I'm like, dude, that is an amazing idea. You guys can leave in your crush stories if you're open to like you know, putting it here in the comment section. If not, then I'll put a poll, like I'll put a questionnaire on my Instagram so that if you want to stay anonymous and if you don't want to like put it out in the public, you can put it on my Instagram, which I'll be doing probably either today or tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I am honestly looking forward to this video because it sounds so much fun. You guys already know about my dating fails and like most of my dating history, so I'd love to know yours. Like, keep it funny, okay? Like, make it as scandalous as you can. It's gonna be fun. And obviously, it's all gonna be anonymous, so you don't really have to worry about it. Alright, moving on. I think I'm gonna use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. It hurts every time I have to use Becca products because they're shutting down. And with that, I'm using my current favorite Etude House foundation. I can't believe how much I'm in love with this foundation. Like, this is one shocking product for me because I wasn't really expecting it to be this good. As I said, like for the 100th time already, that this is a shocker. And with that, I'm just gonna mix a little bit of glow. I mean, you can choose to not do this, but I just want to, you know, so just a little bit of it. Every time you mix your foundation with anything, it becomes a little sheer, so be mindful about that also. If you want to do it with a full coverage foundation so that it becomes at least medium coverage. Anyway, you guys, I received a warm welcome from y'all on my YouTube channel. Trust me, the way you feel to see me back on my channel is exactly how I feel to see you guys in the comment section. I'm like, it feels good. And also, a lot of people have asked if, you know, now that you're recovered, will you be donating plasma? Yes, I will be. I'm just waiting for my brother to actually take me there because uski COVID duty already start over here. So he does not have the time. And also, if you know about me, you would know that मैं एक number की फट्टू when it comes to needles or my blood getting drawn or whatever. Like, I am very, like, I cry. And yeah, we were actually discussing it, so probably me and my brother were both going to donate plasma, and when I do, I will obviously keep you all updated. So for my concealer today, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade Cappuccino. Also, just a quick tip here, in case if your concealer ends up creasing a lot, it could be because either the concealer that you're using is really thick or you use a lot of concealer. Like, tone down on the quantity of products that you actually use on your face if you don't require it. Like, even this right now is a lot. You can actually do with like literally half of this, even if you have pigmentation, even if you have dark circles, okay? Like, for example, when I'm doing my mom's makeup and you know, because she has a lot of pigmentation around her eyes and all of that, I still do not cake up her face. I use very little product and I am able to get the coverage. I'm able to conceal all of the pigmentation without like making her face look cakey, you know? That's the whole point. So yeah, we will discuss on that someday. For now, you guys, does anyone remember pre-COVID days? Like, how was life pre-COVID and right now? Like, I feel like last year से अभी तक जो हमारा pre-COVID normal tha, that is gone. Like that's absolutely vanished. And I remember how people used to say this is the new normal, and I'd be like, "Arey yaar, what is this new trend of always saying this is the new normal? This is not the new normal. We will go back to the normal days." But ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है मुझे. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I have become a very private person, you know, since COVID, because we're just getting so habitual to living by yourself and like not meeting people and being isolated all the time, that you have started enjoying your own company and, you know, like making plans, meeting people, or even calling people just feels like a lot of effort somehow. I don't know if that's right. I don't know if that's only me though. The powder that I'm using is the rice setting powder by Palladio, and I'm going to be using my Damn Beauty sponge to apply that. You know, if you're a beginner and if you don't really have a lot of brushes, trust me, to do your base, you can actually do the entire base using just your blender, okay? Like that's what I do. I don't use brushes unless if I'm using like a powder blush or something, or a powder contour and like, you know, bronzer. And then I'm going to use the Nykaa contour and highlight duo, and I'm going to use the contour face. I'm going to use the contour side and cut my face. I want to literally trim down these cheeks, you know. They're just like busting out the seams, bro. Anyway, I'm gonna get back on track with my you know, healthy lifestyle. I wouldn't really say diet. My brother only actually, my brother only said that, you know, there's nothing called as a diet per se. It's a lifestyle that you choose. It's either healthy or it's not healthy, okay? And it's for your own good, you know. If you actually follow a healthy lifestyle, trust me, you feel good. When you put good things into your body, you feel good, like you feel energetic, you don't have negative thoughts, you feel lighter, you know, and there is a lot of movement in you. And when you put like all these oily things and like, you know, junk stuff and like too much masala into your body, you are constantly you know, like there's certain lethargy to your body, because to process all of that you know, food, your body is constantly working, and when it's working to digest the food that you've eaten, you automatically feel tired all the time. So, you know, eating light food and eating good healthy food which is not too oily and, you know, not too spicy actually helps a lot. Although मैं हर बार ये बोलती हूँ and I always fall off the wagon, but that's all right as long as you're conscious about the fact that, you know, you have to get back on track. I think it's okay. And you know, with me what happens is that even if I eat like I say you know, 10 days or like a month of like being unhealthy, it actually literally shows on my face. And in fact 1 month is a lot. Day and night, 1 month if you're eating unhealthy food, it will definitely show on your face and your body. So yeah, I really want to get back on track, because we were on a trip and everything, and then when we came back, COVID हो गया, तो you know, पूरा lifestyle थोड़ा change हो गया हमारा. But I want to get back on track. I am actually back on track with my brother. So me and my brother, we actually come up with different recipes to make our food more interesting. In fact, whoever said that dieting food has to be really bland, you only have to eat salad and like fruits and everything, that is a lie. No, you can eat whatever you want. As long as you can just limit your portions, avoid sugar completely, at least for a month. If you really want to see drastic results in a month, then trust me, avoid carbs. Like, don't avoid carbs, but reduce it at least 70 to 80%. Limit your portions and cut out sugar from your diet. ये 3 चीजें तुम कर लोगे ना, trust me, तुम्हें 1 महीने के अंदर difference दिखेगा. And now when I show you my body right now, like I have all of the flab around my stomach, and within a month of me getting into my healthy diet, वो पूरा flab cut हो जाएगा. And then when I show you pictures, then you'll be like, oh my god, Simi, how did you do that? So yeah, I know it's always good when you have a partner to do it with. Like for example, me and my brother, we do it together. So we keep each other motivated, you know. We're always like with each other cooking and like, you know, discussing what are we going to have for dinner, what are we going to have for breakfast tomorrow and all that. So it's always fun when you have somebody to do it with. So, you know, probably do it with your mom, do it with your dad, with your family members, or like, you know, whatever, like do it with a friend who you can just discuss over a call, what are you having tonight. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal because this one is unbeatable, unbeaten champion when it comes to like drugstore highlighters. This is really good. You guys, ever since I recovered from COVID, because I stayed away from creating content for like 20 days, first time in my career basically, I've come back with this positive energy and like so much energy. You know, it just feels like somehow I'm busting through the seams with all this positivity and like so many different ideas, and I'm like trying out different things on my Instagram and like, you know, posting. Somehow I feel like I'm shit posting now with all of the memes, but it's fun. Like, this is what I want to do. Like, I just want to try out different things, and till my studio's ready, I'm just gonna go all out and try out different things, you know, just keep you guys entertained, because that's how I like it. You know, I just like to be entertained all the time. So I thought, why not bring it out in my profile as well. Ladies, what are we doing for the eyes today? Because I have like two outfits, right? Like, one is that pastel greenish sharara set, and the other one is that black lehenga. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Bro, मुझे ऐसा लगता है like I keep doing brown smoky. But then brown smoky is literally the only thing that will go with both of them, and I don't wish to like do two separate eye looks. But like two. Yeah. Okay, ladies, let's get started. I'm gonna hit you all with another brown smoky eyes. Are you ready? I'm really sorry, but I'm gonna do like a different brown smoky eye. Okay, this time it's gonna be a little different. Okay, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the Blender Rules eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start with a very nice soft brown shade. So what I'm doing is keeping it very simple, basically just sort of contouring my crease. Okay, and I'm gonna deepen it with a darker shade of brown. Okay, I'm just gonna take the black shade. So I'm gonna start from the inner corners, and I'm gonna keep it very close to the lash line, sort of like a smoky but not a complete smoky. And then I'm just gonna take the lighter brown shade that I took before, and I'm gonna sort of smudge out the outer edges of the black that I just used. Okay, so just sort of like diffuse it. So I'm using this shimmery shade right here to sort of like, okay, this is not working. Whoops. Okay, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal highlighter that I used earlier, and I'm gonna sort of highlight my brow bone. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the kajal, and I'm gonna take a flat brush, and I'm gonna sort of line my lash line. Okay, so this is just gonna like define my lash line, and I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. It's such a long name, but this one. And I might not wear lashes because शादी में मैं definitely lashes तो नहीं ही पहनने वाली थी, because कोई नहीं पहनता है. Actually मैं भी कभी lashes नहीं पहनती हूँ, like if I'm attending a wedding or something, because none of my friends, they actually wear lashes, you know, like nobody's as extra to like support my extraness. So I would have just stuck to a mascara only. And now I'm gonna wear the, you know what, I think I'm gonna do like a very a deep lip moment with the green outfit. So let me just look for a perfect color and be back. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade, so difficult to find the shade on this one, it's the number 55. And before I do so, I'm gonna line my lips. Not sure if this is gonna work though, but my eyes are not as heavy, so I think a deeper shade should go with it. If not, then I'm gonna probably change the lip color later, but whatever. I think this will go with the green outfit, you know. So now I'm gonna quickly change into my outfit. Okay, hi. So this is outfit number 1. So I'm just gonna tie a bun, a very random bun. This is how it's looking from the back. I think I'm gonna go with pink roses. So these are like these attachable clips, flower clips, and I use them all the time. I think they look very, very cute.
I got them from Crawford Market. I'm not sure if you can get it online anywhere. Probably you can, you know, all these things you can easily get it from Amazon as well. So yeah, I love how cute and how easy they are. Just that, you know, I'm gonna put one more. Okay. They just elevate your simple bun, you know. Oh, then I'm just gonna wear my dupatta. Oh man, love this look. Wow. Don't know now where will I wear this dress again. But I think the combination of a bold lip color with this outfit just turned out amazing. What a choice, Emmy. Like, what a choice. I love it. I honestly, legit love it. This was supposed to be the wedding look. I was supposed to wear this for the wedding day, okay? And, oh, it looks nice. This is legit my first Sharara set. As I said, this was a little loose. He did fix it a little, but it's still a bit loose. And I would love to lose a little bit more weight so I can get it tightened a little more, I think. Something like that, you know. Like, I would have loved if the top was a bit more snatched like that. Okay, I'll get it fixed. But otherwise, I think the entire outfit looks bomb. I love it. I love the dupatta. I love how royal the dupatta actually makes the outfit. And yeah, dude. I don't want to take it off. I really don't want to take it off. It looks so gorgeous. This is outfit number 2. So I basically switched the top that none of us liked with this blouse that I made in my outfit from scratch number 1 video, I think. And I think it goes really well with the skirt also. And then I kept the dupatta exactly how it was, and I paired it up with a choker, and I kept the lipstick also same because I feel like it's giving me very like royal vibes, you know what I mean, like very like I'm here to dance, you know. Yeah, this was supposed to be the Sangeet outfit. I feel like it would have gone really well for Sangeet, you know. Yeah, I think I like this more now. So this is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how you think the look turned out for both of the outfits. It was a very close call to like disappointing myself in terms of like designing the second outfit, but we saved it. We turned the tables around, bitches. Not without your help. Thank you so much for helping me out. But yeah, this is it. This is the second outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, don't forget to leave your embarrassing crush stories, okay? I'm gonna make a reaction video. I am so looking forward to that. And as I said, in case if you're not okay posting your embarrassing stories in public here, then you can always post it on my stories when I'm gonna put up that poll, okay, on my Instagram. So yeah, see you all there. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I'll see you all soon. Bye.